Better than new in the heart of West Nashville, tucked between the Nations, Sylvan Park, Nashville West, and all your favorite shops on White Bridge and West End. You will love the convenient location of this stunner. High quality construction features primary on each level. Second floor primary offers stunning tiled shower and separate vanities. Fireplace living room, gorgeous warm hardwoods, and quartz counters throughout. There is no shortage of storage space here, closets aplenty. You will love the screened-in porch and front and back covered porches. Flat, fenced-in backyard make this the perfect home for outdoor entertaining. All of this and more right here in Music City. For more information or to set up a private viewing, please reach out.